Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can boost your learning efficiency with the power of AI. If you are into language learning or studying, then this tool will be a game changer for you. We will be highlighting some amazing features of Wondershare PDFelement which can help you read, translate and organize your PDFs seamlessly. The download link of Wondershare PDFelement is available in the video description, and here we are on the official Wondershare website, where you can explore everything PDFelement has to offer. It's available for Windows, Mac, iOS and Android. Once you download and launch Wondershare PDFelement, you will be greeted with a user-friendly interface that makes managing your PDFs breeze. Open the PDF file and you will have a variety of powerful editing tools at your disposal. Here you can easily add text, images, links, watermarks and more to personalize your document. For instance, if you want to make some text stand out, you can easily bold or underline it. If something is not relevant, you can strike it out with just a few clicks. PDFelement gives you the flexibility to highlight important sections, strike out unnecessary content, or add additional text where needed. But here is the best part: PDFelement's Read Aloud feature. This tool is perfect for improving both pronunciation and comprehension. Simply click the Read Aloud button and PDFelement will read the text to you.
A necessary step for biodiversity and ecosystem health. Introduction. Big cats, such as lions, tigers, leopards, and cheetahs, have long been an iconic part of the animal kingdom. However, in recent decades,
listening to the text while reading along helps you absorb the information more effectively. Especially if you are studying a new language or a complex subject, it's an amazing way to reinforce your understanding and pronunciation of difficult terms. Whether you are revising for an exam or learning a new language, this feature will boost your efficiency. You can pause or stop it at any time. If you click on the settings, you can customize the reading experience by adjusting the reading range, voice, and volume to suit your preferences. This flexibility ensures you get the most out of your study or work session.
A necessary step for biodiversity and ecosystem health. Introduction. Big cats, such as lions, tigers, leopards, and cheetah.
Now let's take a look at another powerful tool. As you can see, this PDF is quite long and sometimes we just need a quick summary. Right now I need to summarize the whole content, so I will get an idea of what the entire PDF is about. I will click here and ask, can you summarize the content of this PDF? After saving, here we go. As you can see, the summary is much shorter, providing an overview of the whole PDF. You can even ask more questions about the content, which is the best part, especially when preparing for an exam. You can clear up any doubts by asking questions directly about the PDF. At the same time, if you are learning English or any other language, you can translate any part of the text into another language. Just click here, detect your language and convert it. So you can translate your text into multiple languages. Simply select the paragraph you want to translate, choose the target language, and the software will instantly convert it for you. This feature is incredibly useful for language learners or anyone working with documents in different languages. Whether you are translating for personal use or to communicate with others, PDFelement makes it seamless. Next we have the AI Grammar Check. The AI Grammar Check feature in PDFelement helps you find and fix grammar mistakes in your text. Simply copy and paste the text. The tool automatically scans the content and highlights any error. It suggests corrections for things like punctuations, sentence structure, and word choice. For example, if a sentence is unclear or has an incorrect verb form, the AI will offer a better way to write it. So this feature is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who wants to make sure their writing is correct and polished, saving time and improving the overall quality of your work. And there you have it. With Wondershare PDFelement, you can enhance your learning by reading aloud, translating effortlessly, and working across devices. If you want to try it out for yourself, make sure to click the link in the description below and download it on your platform of choice. It's available for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. I'm sure you will love how it simplifies your language learning journey. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.